Welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. So we had to get the driveway done here. You can see so we got that snow blowed out the other day. Then a little area in here, around here. It was just getting a little too crazy. And then bringing more stuff in, like we're bringing another bed up, dresser and stuff today. Get her set back up in here. So we had to get the truck in. So that's what we're doing up here today. Setting up the bedrooms and stuff. Because spring, it may not seem like it's coming, but it's coming. It's on its way. So solar panels look good. A little bit of snow up there, no problem though. Threw a couple more things in the camper that we had taken with us. We are, check this out. The hats are in. So once we hit 10,000, we're gonna give a couple of these away. So I'll give more details on that here soon. And we got some new shirts. If you want to check the link below, they have a moose on them. Man, they're really cool. Like it's just there's a t-shirt and a hoodie. So whichever one, if you're interested in that, you can check the link below. That goes towards just any of the projects we're going to be doing here. Got lots of them, and supporting the channel, things like that. Appreciate it. Thank you for being here either way. So just thought I'd share that. So these here, I can still get wood out of here, no problem, but what I kind of figured, if you can see, I'll try to show you. You see how low that is there? The tarp's way down. Obviously from the huge amount of snow. It's no big deal. We'll have a better setup for next year. As soon as spring comes this year, I'm going to take this down. Move this shelter. I've actually just been taking wood out of there for now because I get a bunch in there. And I'll build a wood barn or a wood shed to hold all the wood. Just off to this side somewhere's on this side, right? Probably maybe even up by that shower. And then we'll put all the wood over in one spot and still be able to get it out this door easy because it'll be over there. And then I might build a porch off that anyways, like a little mud room for when we come in to drop our coats, boots and stuff. Another thing, I was hoping to have some new trail cam pics to show because I seen some tracks coming in, and I think it was a fox came in, and I hadn't brought my computer, so I was like, you know, I can't check that the last couple times. But this time I did. I went to check it. I forgot to turn the trail cam back on last time off those moose, so it's on now, so hopefully get some new ones here soon. I might put together a bunch of the old pictures, put them all together in a video and throw that up maybe this week or something too. But hopefully I'll get some new ones too coming up. But I maybe throw that together for the new people, maybe you haven't seen them yet, so we'll do that. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna take a walk inside, show you what we're doing in here, show you what we've moved around a little bit too. Alright, so really the only change we have is with the couch out here now. And put this here rug, I guess, out here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna like set this up like a living room in here now. So once we build the screened area out here, we'll have our table out there, and then with storm windows in it for the winter time and stuff. So right now we just can still get around here, no problem. And then just like this. Sorry about the mess. We're just in the middle of moving a bunch of things around and getting ready for spring and stuff. And then again, like we said before, once we do that part out there, we'll just move this stuff out there to finish pining all these walls, all up here and all up here and everything. And then we won't be jumping all around it. I'm going to show you another thing that happened up here on the roof. You're not going to be able to see it right now. I'll show it once the snow is melted in the spring. But right over the door here, I have snow catchers, like ice blockers, whatever you want to call them here, snow blockers here, and a bunch over here. Then I have one over by the stink pipe on the other side. But up here, one of them actually broke. Right, like the piece that comes up like this to block the snow actually broke. So, I mean, that's kind of sucks. But I'm hoping when I get up there in the spring, I'm pretty sure the integrity of the screws that went in and the caulking around, or the sealant around them, everything is alright, so it's not going to cause a leak or anything. But I'll have to get up and put a new one on, or put a couple of extras or something in the spring. But I'll show you the broken piece. I'll just, I don't have it on me right now, I'll just show it later. But yeah, it was right up above that door. I have them at the door just so you don't get smoked by snow coming out. Shut the door and then a big sheet comes down and takes you out or something. Same with over the panels there. And the panel's been holding up good. No issues with that. There's snow comes down, but because the ice blockers over top, it just kind of melts down and all good. And by no means am I warm out here, but I'm actually just out here. I have a t-shirt and this here's shirt, but it's only about, I think, -5 Celsius. So that's really quite warm for February. That's really warm. It was actually like +4, I think, yesterday. I mean, that's crazy for around here this time of year. Now, we still got quite a bit of snow. Like quite a few feet of snow have come down, but because it's warmed up, then we've got rain. And then actually that's kind of caused another problem. We end up with ice and slush and a bunch of other crap, even though the nicer days are nice because it's warmer. But yeah, it's been kind of a weird winter like that here. So there she is. Can't wait. Putting the cedar shingles on. That's the plan for here. Anybody that doesn't know that may be new. Pretty excited to get started on that. It's gonna look so different with those cedar shingles all on there. Pretty excited. And then out here, right? We'll come out with the roof over here for the screened area, and then storm windows and that. That'll be cool. And then maybe the mudroom right off this, right? Right where that she's coming out. Off that. So pretty cool. And about the camper, people have been asking me what I'm going to do with the camper this year. I think we might just try to put it on another piece of property somewhere. If we can. I mean, it all depends how things work out. I can't do it right this moment or anything like that. But, because I'm not sure if we could sell it around here and get our money back, so. And it's a good camper. It would be good for like a nice little summer thing to use somewhere else maybe. We'll see, but got a few plans. Talk about possibly a campground. Possibly buy another cheap piece of land to put it on and just leave it there, build a roof over it, just like as a little permanent kind of getaway spot, if I can find a spot to put it on water or something. Don't know. Got a bunch of different things going through our head. We'll see. Hi. What are you going in here for?
Looking for that plastic wrap we wrapped the walls in. I don't know. Do you know where the big tube of it is?
The wrap?
Yeah, the plastic wrap. I thought it was in the bathroom and I don't see it in there.
I have no idea. Do we have some of that left?
Yeah.
Oh. I have no idea. Well, I think that's good for now. Give you a little update what's going on. Thanks for stopping by. Like I say, we're going to give a 10,000 subscriber giveaway soon. Thanks everybody for being here for that. Got some shirts there below if you want to check those out. Shirts and hoodies are, I think they're the coolest ones yet. Going to give away a couple of these hats for the giveaway for 10,000. I'll come up with, oh, she just found the plastic. I'll come up with a video for to do something about that. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thank you.
Found it.
What do you do with that?
Wrap stuff in it.
So we don't get stuff all over it like we just did?
Yeah.
We brought a couple of box springs up here. And flung a bunch of slush and stuff all over them. Didn't have it wrapped. Not complete, not like terrible, but a little bit.